Well, friends, here we will be going to discuss next parts of speech, which is very important. That is, you can see conjunctions. Why conjunctions are important, or what does it mean exactly? We will understand it first. Conjunction, it's a word, it's a parts of speech which join two different sentences, two parts of the sentences, two clauses, or several clauses we can call it. But how it would be, let's say, two unequal importance or equal importance. That means once the conjunction joins two equal importance clauses together, that is called as coordinate conjunctions, and two unequal importance clauses it will join together, that will be subordinate conjunctions. Conjunction असा पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच आहे. याच्या नावातच तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की काय करतो हा. तुमच्या वाक्यामध्ये अनेक प्रकारच्या फ्रेजेस असतात, छोटे छोटे वाक्याचे तुकडे असतात, कधी कधी क्लॉजेस असतात, कधी कधी दोन फ्रेजेस असतात किंवा अनेक असतात. यांना एकत्रित करून ते कम्प्लीट सेंटेन्स बिल्डअप करून त्याचं एक मिनिंग क्रिएट करण्याचं काम केलं जातं. आणि हा प्रकार यांना कंजक्ट करणारा, या फ्रेजेसना या क्लॉजेसना एकत्रित जोडणारा जो वर्ड आहे त्या वर्डला काय म्हणायचं, कंजक्शन्स म्हणायचं. वी हॅव सेव्हरल कंजक्शन्स हियर. लेट अस लुक ॲट सम एक्झाम्पल्स. विकास अँड विक्रम. हेमा इज writing but Anita is playing. But you can see here all. You can see here yet. We have otherwise. Then next we have while. Then next we have if. Then next we have because. Then we have therefore. Then we have else. Then we have unless. Then we have since. Then we have so. Then we have as. Then we have do. Then we have although. So look at all these conjunctions. What they help us. I already talked to you. Aman broke the tube lights. Therefore, he was punished. Now see, therefore is the word. Therefore is the conjunction in that sentence. These are the two clauses. Aman broke the tube lights is one clause, and he was punished is the another clause, which was joined by therefore. Now here you can see, I will give you result. There is a conjunction. If you give me your time. So that's it for conjunctions. Just try to understand it, make a practice of it.